Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Heather and today I wanted to chat about food and energy and how to fuel best to feel great all day long. So one of the primary purposes for my fuel, well there's two, is food is delicious and I think it should be delicious. And food should also serve you in what you want to do, whether it's your workouts, your work, your family life, whatever you've got going on, your food should be able to help you and support you to do those things. And one thing that I hear all the time from clients, from just my community, is wanting more energy. And the way that we eat, especially first thing in the day, is going to impact that. So today I want to share some tips that help me, that help my clients, and hopefully they're going to help you if you're looking to get a little bit more energy throughout the day. I feel like there's a lot of confusion around breakfast. You know, we used to hear breakfast is the most important meal of the day and you need to eat breakfast right away. And then we hear about intermittent fasting and don't eat breakfast when you wake up, wait many hours before you should eat. And you know, what you choose to do, whether you eat early, you eat late, you got to make it work for you. So I'm not here for that debate. What works for me is eating a little snack before my workout. I work out in the morning and then definitely eating something after. That's what works for me in my lifestyle right now. Again, it can look different in your life as well. But whether you eat breakfast early or if you eat it later, breakfast really is the most important meal of the day because it sets up your energy and your blood sugar regulation for the day. So if we picture a breakfast that is maybe just a bowl of cereal and it doesn't have much protein, it doesn't have much fat, it's mostly just carbs. We're eating that quickly and then realizing later we're hungry. In 30 minutes, 60 minutes, it's not filling, it's not going to keep us fueled because our blood sugar is going up and then it's going to come back down. That's when we get that crash, that energy crash that is so common. That's when we get that crash, that energy crash that is so common that I hear about so often throughout the day. So here's some tips to alleviate that crash is to really focus on fueling with protein and fat. And if you can get some fiber from veggies in there, that is an amazing thing as well. And your carbohydrates are there to serve you in the energy that you need. If you're working out, it's a fantastic thing to have post-workout as well. So thinking about fueling with protein and fat. So what does that look like? I want to share a few of my favorite protein sources that I enjoy pretty much every week. I kind of rotate through these, and my favorite breakfast food by far is eggs. Eggs, they're such a great source of protein. They're full of so many vitamins that are important for you, and they're so accessible too. Eggs are inexpensive, and our chickens in the backyard that we got a few months ago just started laying their first eggs, and it's so exciting to get those every day. We're just getting a couple, but that's been such a fun joy in our house. Eggs are a great way to start with some protein at breakfast time. You could have just some scrambled eggs, you could fry up some eggs, you could turn it into an omelet. Another way to kind of get eggs in without thinking about eating eggs is to add it into your oatmeal. We have some banana custard oats probably once a week. Sometimes we'll add shredded carrots, shredded zucchini, some canned pumpkin. There's so many ways to add veggies into it. And the eggs just get whisked into the oatmeal for a delicious creamy custard taste. So we're getting that protein in a breakfast that typically would be lacking in that, just a plain bowl of oatmeal. Another favorite breakfast that is protein packed is some breakfast meats. So whether it's some chicken breakfast sausage or some turkey sausage or some pork or some bacon or some turkey bacon, think about those as an easy way to add in some protein alongside maybe some avocado toast and some berries. Or you could have some sauteed kale and have some avocado with that as well. So that's a great way to get some good protein and some fat in there that's going to help you to stay full longer as well. Another easy breakfast that is protein packed is yogurt. Now we try to get some plain full fat organic yogurt in our house, then we'll sweeten that with some jam, or we'll add some berries and some homemade granola. We've got a few recipes over on the website that are so easy and so delicious, and it's a great topping. And I like to save yogurt bowls for my crazy busy mornings, or when I'm just tired and I don't want to cook. Everybody loves them, and it's so quick and easy to whip up, and so we always keep things on hand for some yogurt bowls. And then the last one that I want to mention are smoothies. Green smoothies, because why not get some veggies in there when you're already making it, but making sure that we add a protein powder in. My favorites, I'll rotate through a few, would be a beef isolate or a whey protein powder. Sometimes I'll do like a vegan protein powder, a mix of a pea protein. Typically I have a different option in there as well. But my go-tos are beef isolate and whey, because they are best for muscle synthesis, and it helps me to get all the amino acids that I'm looking for. So how much protein do you want to try to get at breakfast time? Great recommendation is 20 to 25. If you're looking for specifics for your lifestyle, for your workouts, for your goals, send me a message down below, and that's something I love to chat with clients about, to figure out what their targets are, and then also see what does that look like on a plate. And if you need some breakfast options too, I have a PDF with some protein-packed breakfast that you can easily make ahead of time that I would love to send you. So if you look down below my email, you're actually gonna find a link where you can go grab that PDF as just my gift to you, because I want you to feel good and energized all throughout the day. And it starts at breakfast, whether it's at 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m., whatever works in your lifestyle. Make sure that you're fueling with protein and fat, and then carbs as you need them. And what I mean by that is, do you have enough energy to do the things that you want to do? Did you just finish a workout? That's when we really should get those carbohydrates in. And just like how protein can be tailored to your lifestyle, your carbohydrates can as well. So if you have questions about those, definitely send me an email to that email address that is down below. Hey, those are my tips, and I hope that they help you to feel energized and fueled throughout the day. Remembering that breakfast, it is the most important meal of our day. And if we're skimping on the protein, if we're skimping on fat, we're not going to stay full as long. There's so many benefits for both. All macronutrients have benefits, but really focusing on that protein is going to help us to stay satiated, so we're not feeling hungry, and it's going to help us to feel good all day long. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, be sure to. We've got some great things coming up over the next few months, and I hope that you will be here for it. Thanks so much. Bye.